Investing in an emergency update. I'm working on an extensive Commodity Mondays video that's a little bit late, but there's a lot going on. As you can see, since Vincenzo's come on the air about 12 months ago, 10 months ago, to you people that have been listening and we've been communicating, I've been harping on oil, gold, and silver and commodities, right? And now gold. As the stock market's been down, nearing bear market territory, crypto's in a bear market, EV, all the traditional assets are approaching bear markets or are in them. Gold and silver bullion have been rallying fiercely and quickly, and now the mining sector is starting to catch up as silver is nearing $27 an ounce. Gold is within $60 of its all-time high on a tear. Copper is at an all-time high. Natural gas has been exploding. They're crutching territory today. But you can see the mining stocks are now starting to pop. Fortuna this is a major company here on a big swing trade that I bought. I told you guys about 2 weeks ago, 350 shares, right? And we're going to run this to 550 and then we're going to dump it, maybe 6, right? Because that doesn't pay a dividend. Kinross Gold, we re-entered a position a month ago, 550 shares of just over $5 a share. We're going to ride that to $10, right? Because they pay a dividend. It's not for sale. B2 Gold. We got 700 and what do we got? 5, 6, about 700 shares of B2 Gold that we've accumulated at our average cost of below what it is now. And we're riding B2 Gold to $10 or $15, right? They pay a good dividend and we're going to be in that for a long time. And then GPL, it's been a speculation of mine. I got 10,000 shares of GPL. And they had a bad flood last year, and I told everyone to take advantage of this through late fall and the winter as I was forecasting springtime of this year when their mining season starts. Their mine was back up. They made the repairs necessary, and we told you we were forming a bottom after we had a major flush back in November, right about my birthday, November 10th, and we doubled down. We had 5,000 shares back here, or 5,500 up there, and then it flushed, and we picked up 4,500 more shares all down here, all south of that line, and most of it down there, right? And now we've averaged down 10,000 shares. We diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected with dynamic technical analysis in this back in November. I'll try to find the video and re-upload it, and we explained what this was right here. This was the last flush, right? This took everybody out of the market, drove them out, and then we expected in the springtime earnings to start getting better, mine to start producing more gold, and then gold and silver would start coming up. And now we're coming for that first rally of a retest to 30 cents, and then a retest to 54, and then a retest to 76. And eventually we're going to be all the way back up here over $1 again. It's going to be a long term. It's not just going to go straight up. It's going to go up, down, down, up, right? But we're going to ride GPL all the way over $1, and we're going to turn this account that we have 10,000 shares in, and it's going to turn in to $15,000 or $20,000 in a couple of years, or the next 12 to 18 months, as GPL turns the corner and starts to head up on a phenomenal swing trade that I've been trying to get you guys to get in and understand the power of gold and silver bullion and what's actually going on in the financials. And now you can see this, the mining sector starting to really take off after a 16-month consolidation, a bullish consolidation, but it was bearish. It was trending south for 18 months, but it was a big bull flag in all of these, and now they're starting to break out. And I'm just trying to keep you out ahead of it as we have major holdings in B2 Gold, Fortuna Silver, Kinross Gold, and GPL, right? Major holdings, or thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in each of those 4 companies for me is a major holding, right? We're talking between the gold holdings and our international stocks, about $20,000 invested that's been there collecting dividends. And now we're starting to get capital appreciation, right? Which is just a icing on the cake when you're getting paid a healthy dividend, when you start getting capital appreciation as the stock goes up. And in this case, the cryptos have been going down while gold's been going up. You can see the last few months, gold's up about 25%. And crypto is down along with the rest of the stock, risk assets at current price. Crypto is down 44%, right? But we're paying attention as we're in a very bearish cycle in crypto and a very bullish cycle in commodities, right? And these look to continue for the next couple of years, maybe the next decade in commodities bull run, right? There'll be corrections along the way, but that's when you stack more. Like if we get a big flush in a couple of weeks, I stack more, right? And this, what you got to look for is your next retest down. If you break below the 200-day moving average, you're probably going to have a bearish retest of the 37,000 again down here. But if you can hold support, you could try to make a bullish run up to 41,200, right? Same thing with XRP. You're still, you're actually below now. We dipped below overnight on a nice little rundown. You're below the 200 day and you're below the 73 cents. So right now, you're still in the same area. You're bearish. And if you can't get back over top of that, your immediate short-term bottom is 62 cents. On any kind of rally, your major upper resistance is 95 cents. XLM. And we have major downside targets. It's still straddling the 17 cents. And if you fail to hold that, your first full lateral flush is down here to 14 cents. And then as we know, the blue ring is 10 cents, major underneath support, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Become members of Jabroni Killers to stay on top of the financials, the gold and silver bullion market, the cryptos, as we are your most trusted source of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin analysis on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. Peace and love. Peace and love.